the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. You want it, the thing that makes me what the guys go crazy for. They lose their minds to where you want.
Hey guys, I'm back. Yo, see, can you guys see this? I slayed his hair for him and he doesn't know how to act anymore.
Back to back. Welcome back to our channel.
Oh, sorry guys.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back to our channel because anytime it's a travel vlog with all of us there, then it's our channel.
Facts. Let's introduce the man of the hour.
Absence of evidence is no evidence of
Very
absence.
good.
That you don't see me does not mean that I'm not there.
I mean, that is facts.
So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Stephanie and I want to welcome every one of you, and he is
Fine as hell. Hell yeah. Okay.
Calm down.
Keep
Okay.
it simple.
Keep it simple.
It's your boy OBR here, you feel me?
That's right. And my brother here is Alex. Obviously, he doesn't like to introduce himself because he feels like he doesn't need any introduction, like he says. By the way, guys, I made my hair myself. The one from the other vlog, from my last vlog in Portugal, was also me. I made that one, and then I just kind of remade the front with like the crisscross braids.
Ah, the hair.
Yeah.
No,
And
I'll
then-
give her accolades where accolades is due.
Okay.
This young lady. Magic.
See them hands,
Look at that.
Magic. Yeah,
Look at
I
how
did
clean that shit is.
I did this.
Look at
like,
it.
Period.
Man, you better stop
Don't
playing
try
with her,
me.
bro.
Don't try me.
Playing with her.
Guys, as you guys can tell from the title of the vlog, we are on our way to Lanzarote. Right now we're in Madrid, Spain. We have a 6-hour layover here. So we decided to just chill. We're in Starbucks now. We just had our drinks and a few snacks to eat. So afterwards we're just gonna head out a little bit and go see the city. Look at the city a little bit. Yeah, because we have like a lot of time. Right now is 11 a.m. So, and our flight is by, I think 4:15, I think, is our next flight from Madrid to Lanzarote. We're here.
All eyes on me, please. All eyes on me. You know how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. We're here, we're back. And we're live and
Direct.
Thank you very much. Alright, Sophia. Look at it.
Hey, wow. Let me just do it alright, way. No, the house is still another.
I would. Hold on. That's
I think it's couch bed. Looking good. Then. But why is the mirror? The mirror is so distorted, anyway. Oops, I got. So guys, we're on our way to go get something to eat because yeah, we just got here and we're exhausted. and find a supermarket as well so that we can get something for breakfast as well, because right now it's already 8:30 p.m. We're 1 hour behind Switzerland actually, which gives us an hour more for a day. Beautiful, isn't it? As you guys can tell, it's so windy. I know why. It's because we're close to the water and stuff, so yeah, kind of makes sense that it's that windy. Yeah, child. And I have shorts on, literally shorts on, and we had to go back to go get a jacket because yeah, it's not as warm as we thought it was gonna be. Like right now, could be a little bit warmer, but it's not too bad. Guys, I'm starting to like we had to go for a walk because we started waiting.
Sorry, how long is it gonna take?
I'm just gonna place your order. Just give me a couple of minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Place your order.
Can you just sit with your order?
What does you mean place order?
Bro, guys, we've been here for like
2 minutes.
1 hour 15 minutes waiting for our starters just came like 20 minutes ago, I would say. Just came after like 40 minutes of ordering. Like, what's going on? I'm tired. I'm done. I'm exhausted. Practically spent the whole evening here waiting for our dinner to come. And he just said place orders. Like, I hope we got something else right. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Damn it, look at that. We got some pink chicken on here. Bro.
Monsieur.
Quale? Yes, I've never seen this technique before.
Yeah, now you have.
Yeah, baby. Learning from the vlogger. What? That's not the FIFA present.
It's a new day, and guys, look what I've got. Yesterday at the airport, I got a new perfume, and it looks so bougie. Like, you'll see this. This is my outfit. Is it giving tennis? Is it giving tennis like? Paco, you guys need to sponsor me because yeah, I'll do a good job. I also got a smaller one which happens to be good. That's so cute. This is so cute, guys. Oh my days. We've had breakfast, get dressed, go out, play some tennis, come back, maybe go for a swim, and then book all our activities for a whole stay. So cute. So cute. Probably really far. And I'll try to take some pictures for Insta, obviously. So follow me on my Instagram to see the pictures. @proud_melanin. It's gonna be on the screen, proud_melanin. So go follow me to see the pictures, and I'll see you guys soon. Let's see. Hey, I gave him my glasses and he's popping.
Look at him.
Hey,
Look
give
at the camera.
Give them, paparazzi, hello. No, Alex, yeah, I'm not taking these glasses anymore.
I should have it on.
Yeah, please, because, excuse me, hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Before person. Hey. So we're out. I just put on a little bit of makeup, just a little bit, and we're heading out. So we decided to go for a massage instead. Sorry, guys. We're back. We didn't get the massage done. We didn't get the pedicure done. Nothing. Okay. We got some shopping done. We're still clearing, and I'm about to make creamy mushroom sauce. Hello, the chaos. I'm going to make. Okay, I think you guys get the deal at this point. I'm gonna make some creamy mushroom sauce with rice. TikTok be like,
See how they want to still look at what they just got.
Guys, they got your ways. Look at that.
Look at Eden, watch Eden, watch Eden.
Woo!
I realized this slide was here.
No? Very nice.
Good fish.
Kiss a fish.
Damn. Not after so long.
Let me see something.
I was slapping.
Alright, see how far.
Okay. I've only been there with you in that bag.
Me?
Okay.
I wasn't there when you got it. Half of half. Half of half of half.
I'm a minga.
What's in that?
Leave it. Yeah.
Please. We'll both lose it. It's not what's in. Stop! So, this is ginger. And it's like, it's so huge. Please tell me why it's this big. I could not.
Oh, they said you're cooking us with this girl?
Yeah. I hope this is heavy cream. I couldn't understand the language of this. I was Spanish.
Then dip me underway. Kiss my mouth for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Anyways, we're waiting for Obi to finish his massage because his back hurts. So we decided to find a place to go for a massage. I wanted to go as well, but it's been difficult finding a place that takes people without appointments. So we decided he goes first so that he can have his back. I'm feeling a little bit better before we go, so that's the plan. We just took some pictures, some beautiful pictures. The background here is just so fine. So we decided to take a few pictures out there, not a few, quite a lot actually. So yeah, you're gonna see them on my Instagram. Once again, if you're not following me on my Instagram, go follow me on my Instagram at proud_melanin. We have our activities booked for Sunday to Wednesday, so yeah. Tomorrow starts with surfing. It's going to be our first time surfing. Yeah, except the one we did in Dubai. That one was like, it was a surfing simulator or something like that. Yeah, if you haven't watched that travel, go watch it. Go watch it. It's on my channel. Go watch it. Oh yeah, but we're gonna try out surfing, like proper surfing for the first time.
Making it away. Palm trees, beach views.